There's a little fish down here in the water. They're growing. There's some here, and then there's some bigger ones. You can see them flashing down there at the bottom. And all these fish, those over there and the ones here, they were little minnows earlier in the summer. And now they're getting to what I guess you would call fingerlings. And they still got a lot of warm water left for the rest of the summer. So we're still summer, and the water really doesn't start getting cold until October. And so these little fish are going to eat a lot, and they're still going to grow a lot. And then they're going to probably pretty much be out of these little estuaries, these ditches and shallow areas, and they'll be out there in the open, swimming around. And a lot of the fish migrate, depending on what kind of species it is, but the fish migrate. They go different places. They go to where the food's at during the wintertime. Everything's in a cycle. Everything's growing. Life's always changing. And it's kind of interesting. You can tie all the different sciences together to explain that, but it's still kind of just one big miracle. And that's fine to think about it that way. It's a magnificent orchestra of events. And then one of the interesting things about that is mathematically, when you can look at the world from the viewpoint of physics or chemistry or a combination of those things that form biology, you can look at all these different look at it from all these different viewpoints, from the mind, from consciousness, from you're growing up in an age where, because of computer science, look at all the little crabbies over there. We're starting to kind of, it's a weird time, but we're able to put very complex variables or very simple variables to make complex outcomes into computer models. And from that, we understand, we get a different kind of viewpoint and understanding of life. But what I was going to say is a very small number of rules or mathematical variables are needed to start off what becomes a very complex system. And that's an interesting thing to contemplate. I love you.